Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Lever Talent Acquisition Suite. Review my usage experience. Lever Talent Acquisition Suite. Review my usage experience offers a comprehensive suite of tools for managing the entire recruitment process. It's aimed at HR professionals and recruiters in companies of all sizes, helping streamline candidate sourcing, screening, and onboarding. Key features include applicant tracking, interview scheduling, and communication tools. Their website provides details on the various plans and pricing structures. Lever boasts a user-friendly interface, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and integration with many popular HR and productivity tools. They emphasize a modern, intuitive approach to recruitment, streamlining workflows and helping companies hire faster and more efficiently. Availability is generally worldwide, and you can check their website for specific details on regional offerings. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Lever Talent Acquisition Suite. Review my usage experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, and I was able to import my existing candidate data without any major issues. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays key metrics and allows for easy filtering and sorting of applicants. I particularly like the integrated calendar feature for scheduling interviews. It saved me a ton of time juggling different platforms. The system performed flawlessly throughout my testing period. Searches were quick and the platform remained responsive even when managing a large pool of applicants. I had a quick question about customizing email templates and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful video tutorial. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the Candidate Relationship Management (CRM) system. It kept everything organized and made tracking progress effortless. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve with the advanced reporting features. It took me a little while to fully grasp all the functionalities. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Lever Talent Acquisition Suite. It's a powerful tool that significantly improved our recruitment process, saving both time and resources. That's my overview of Lever Talent Acquisition Suite. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.